The Bullrunners Tank Top. Unleash your inner runner with Bullrunners Tank Top, the ultimate performance gear. Running is more than just a hobby. For many of us, it's a way of life. And as runners, we know that the right gear can make all the difference in our performance. That's why we're excited to introduce the Bullrunners Tank Top. This tank top is more than just your average running shirt. It's a high-performance garment that will keep you cool, comfortable, and looking great on every run. Let's take a closer look. The Bullrunners Tank Top is made with a unique blend of 82% polyester and 18% spandex. This fabric has a four-way stretch, which means it moves and recovers with your body in every direction. And the microfiber yarn is incredibly soft and smooth against your skin. But what really sets the Bullrunners Tank Top apart is its precision cut and hand-sewn construction. Each shirt is made to order, so you can be sure that you're getting a product that's tailored specifically to you. And here's the best part. By making products on demand, Bullrunners is helping to reduce overproduction and waste. So when you order a Bullrunners Tank Top, you're not just getting a great product, you're also making a positive impact on the environment. But let's not forget the most important thing. How does it perform? The Bullrunners Tank Top is designed with runners in mind. It's breathable, moisture-wicking, and quick-drying, so you can focus on your run without feeling weighed down by your clothes. And when you look good, you feel good. The Bullrunners Tank Top comes in a range of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your body type. And the sleek, modern design will have you feeling confident and stylish on every run. So what are you waiting for? Add the Bullrunners Tank Top to your running wardrobe today. It's more than just a shirt, it's a symbol of your dedication to your sport and your commitment to the environment. Thanks for watching, and happy running! Click the link in the description below to get your Bullrunners Tank Top.